I'm here in Tooele, Utah at the Royal Light and Heavy Duty Diesel Repair. And man, these guys are just incredible. Beautiful day. It isn't snowy, it isn't too cold. Just gorgeous weather, really. And a gentleman pulled me over on the side of the road as soon as I hit downtown Salt Lake and says, "Dude, you got a problem with your trailer." And I, sure enough, busted a leaf spring. There goes the tires right into each other. Brand new tires, motherfucker. Anyways, Billy got me in right away, called me this morning. "Hey, did you call last night? You get off the road? Are you okay? Come on and we'll take care of you." Man, got the boys hopping right on it. Got off after another leaf, getting me tires. Can't ask for any better than that. Shazam, shazam. So here we are. Yep. Hit a bump it didn't like, I guess. And kind of got these heavy duty tires, boy. They're expensive, but hey, they save the day. Whew. So pop a new leaf on when we get back to LA. We'll take care of this problem properly. I didn't expect to drive 12,000 miles plus across the USA. But let me show you this place. If you're ever out this way and you've got a problem, this is the man to call. You RVs, big rigs. Look at that fix-a truck they can sit down the road to fix you. Got a crane on the back of their fix-a truck. Wow. Just incredible shop. Wait to see the inside. Shazam! Look at this place. And they just do it all. I've never seen another company that just, if you need a fix, we got you. Wow. You know, most people do this or that, and that's all they want to do. They want to talk to you about nothing else. I mean, they do everything here. Just incredible. Got whatever you need. And I am just in awe of this toolbox. I have never seen a box this large. This thing must be 10 foot tall. Wow. And a GTO. Yeah, man. That one spanks me. Ooh. I had a goat years ago. Wasn't as nice as that though. I think I paid 240 bucks. It was a while back. Man, look at this place. See you guys.